I'm Brandi Cook of the Aiken Homes team at Meybohm Real Estate, and this is my partner, Vikki Crossland. We both want to welcome you to our newest listing at 156 Winged Elm Circle in beautiful Woodside.
Now this location is one of the prettiest streets in Woodside in my opinion. And on top of it, it's a golf course lot on the Cupp Course. Let's go take a peek at this listing.
Welcome home.
We're here in one of my favorite places in this house. It's an open area where the kitchen is open to the family room and it has those expansive golf course views. Now this is a 4-bedroom, 3 full bath home, and there's 2 distinct wings. A primary suite with a guest bedroom, and it's a bath there for you, plus a separate 2-bedroom full bath, another wing. So it's a great plan and it's full of livability. We're now entering the primary suite. Now this suite has beautiful tray ceilings, access to the screen porch, and then there's 2 closets. Now y'all could fight that out who gets them or both of them. And now we're entering the serene bathroom with a tiled walk-in shower, a garden tub, double vanity, and soaring ceilings. You're just gonna find this place special.
This home offers a bonus room which is full of storage space. Another great feature of this home is this oversized deck area, which is great for entertaining. Also, it overlooks the golf course.
One thing again about this location in Woodside is it's optional to be a member of the Woodside Club or the Reserve. So you could have as much fun as you want, and there's fantastic golf, tennis, swimming, social dining. You could have it all, or if you don't, you can just walk the trails and enjoy the good life in Woodside.
If you'd like more information about this listing, contact us or your favorite real estate agent. Remember, it's your home, your lifestyle, and we are your real estate team.